We're having an open house for the public. Everybody's invited on Tuesday the 16th. It'll be from 5:30 to 7:30 right here at the Grand. The renovation process has actually been going on for a couple of years. This year it's focused more on the lobby area. One of the big things people are going to see, even as you're walking down the street, is these windows behind me. In the 70s, they bricked them up. We've opened them up. People are going to really see a big difference. In the Encore room, there's going to be a new bar lounge area, the Center State Bank reception room on the other side, which is a room no one's seen before. So there's a lot more room to kind of spread out and engage with your friends and hang out and have a good time. And I'm hoping that also we'll be able to have maybe small events, meet and greets with artists, and really expand the type of programming we're doing. The lot on the side of the building will be open as it is for all of our shows. You can park in there and just walk in and walk around, ask questions. We'll have the bars open so you can have, a drink. And so I think people will really be amazed at the progress that's been made.